Hello everyone, hope you're doing wonderful today. Welcome to another video. In today's video, we are going to make a geode pen stand using resin and cement. So let's get started. This is craft cement that I got from my local craft shop, Itsy Bitsy. So the direction is very simple. You just put cement and you put water gradually. There's no measurement as such. You just mix it, and the mixture should not be too thick, not too thin. So pour the water gradually because it gets thin really fast. So as you can see, I was not happy with the mixture. It was dropping a lot. So I'm going to add a little bit more cement. I want to create a pen stand. So if you got a mold, please use that. I don't have one. So I have these set of cubes. So this is the largest one. What I'm going to do is pour 1/4 of this with the cement, and then I'm going to take the second size cube, and once it's half cured, I'm going to place that in the middle. So after about an hour, I placed the second cube. So you can place it anywhere you want. I placed it towards the edge because I want some kind of open space on one side. So once I did that, I allowed it to fully cure. So the next day, I pour the remaining space with some more cement. I had not filled the cement all the way through because I want to fill the rest of the space with resin. So after allowing the cement to fully cure, I filled out the rest of the space with the resin. So once I was done filling all the resin, I am going to allow this to fully cure, and we're going to unmold this tomorrow. Okay guys, so the next day I demolded this. So the inside cube came out easily, but the outside cube I had to put some soap water and demold it. And while doing that, it fell from my hand and one side broke. So the resin part actually broke, and I couldn't salvage it. It broke into tiny pieces, but the rest of it was fine. So anyway, the idea was I would have some open space in the cement part, and the resin part would remain as it is. But anyway, what we'll do now is put some fake gems all over the open space. So the bigger gems will sort of form a border, and I will place some smaller crystals in the middle. So another thing, guys, I have sanded the resin part that broke because there were some really sharp edges. So if something like this happens, please do sand it because otherwise it's really sharp. I want to show you actually what I had in mind if everything had gone according to plan. So in the cement part, I am creating a dent with a sharp tool, and then once you're happy with the space that you created, I wanted to just place all the crystals in that space. So you can use hot glue or E6000 to place the crystals. So again I start by placing the larger crystals along the border and then some small crystals in the center. So once you're done, I'm hoping to get that geode look. So here's my final piece. So I've colored the inside with some gold acrylic paint, and I've colored the outside with some white and gold. So actually this is making the crystals pop out a little bit more now. So ideally what I would have liked is the top part where the resin was, the side which got cut. Ideally I would have liked the resin to be as it is, and would have liked to put the crystals just in the middle in the cement part. But anyway, I think this gives it a more rustic look. So you can turn it into a pen stand, a small container, or just a decor piece. I put a fidget spinner in there, something that had lights in it. Check it out, check how cool it looks. That's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do subscribe, comment, like and share for more videos. I'll see you soon in the next one.